Hi guys, it's Shaghayer and welcome to Nail Room, a place where we learn everything you need to become a professional nail technician. In today's video, we're gonna do Russian manicure and it's really important to do it correctly. I will explain each step carefully so you can get that clean, flawless result. Let's get started! The first step of manicure is pushing back the cuticles. You can use either a wooden pusher, which is also called an orange stick, or a metal one. The wooden pusher is easy to use, but if you want to use a metal pusher, make sure it fits the cuticle. If it is too big, it won't work at all, and you won't be able to push back the cuticles properly. When using an orange stick, we first need to soften its tip a little with a nail file. And then, as you can see in the video, we start carefully pushing back the cuticles. Remember, this step covers about 50% of the manicure, so it's very important to do it well. Next step is choosing the right manicure bit. We should select the drill bit based on our cuticles. As I mentioned in the previous video about the color of the drill bits, the blue one is coarse and the red one is softer. And keep in mind, we use the blue bit for drier skin and the red one for normal skin. The angle of your hand is very important in manicure. It shouldn't be too steep or too flat. We should do it at a 45-degree angle. Also, for the sidewalls, we use a 45-degree angle and the drill bit shouldn't touch the nail. Now we set the drill to forward and clean the left side of the nail following the tips that I've mentioned before. And then for cleaning the right side of the nail, we set the drill to reverse and start the manicure. Now to remove dead cuticles, we can use the manicure machine with a bowl-shaped bit. First, we use a wet wipe. Then lightly lift the cuticles and finally remove them. Take a close look at the picture and make sure there's absolutely no pressure from your hand. And that's it. Enjoy your manicure. And remember, practice makes perfect, so don't rush, keep practicing regularly, be patient with yourself, and don't get discouraged. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to learn more about nail cares and techniques. Bye!